The word for right in Spanish can have multiple translations depending on the context. One of the most common translations is derecha, which refers to the opposite direction of left. For example, turn right can be translated as gira a la derecha. Another common translation for right is correcto or correctamente, which can be used to indicate that something is correct or done correctly. For instance, you're right can be translated as tienes razón or estás en lo correcto. In some contexts, right can also be translated as justo or derecho, which refer to justice, fairness, or lawfulness. For example, it's the right thing to do can be translated as es lo justo que hacer. Knowing the different translations of right in Spanish can help you communicate more effectively and precisely, depending on the context. So next time you want to express right in Spanish, remember to use the appropriate translation depending on the context, such as derecha, correcto, justo, or derecho. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish language.